Hi friends, welcome to my channel Online Classes Niyaz. Today's topic, science changes around us. Before that, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Science changes around us. In changes around us, there are two types of changes. First, reversible change. Second, irreversible change. Changes around us. In that part, there are two types of changes. First is reversible change and second is irreversible change. We will see this, what is reversible change, what is irreversible change. Changes around us, there are two types of changes. First is reversible change and one more is irreversible change. You know it. What is reversible change, what is irreversible change? Come we see. First, reversible change. The changes in which the matter can be brought back to its original form is called reversible change. The changes in which the matter can be brought back to its original form is called reversible change. And second is irreversible change. The changes in which the matter cannot be brought back to its original form is called irreversible change. See, irreversible change, the changes in which the matter cannot be brought back to its original form is called irreversible change. I will give the example of reversible change and irreversible change. Experiment. Hi, my name is Niyaz. Today we will do the activity of burning of candle. First we will check the centimeter of candle. This is a 12 centimeter. We will observe this candle after 5 minutes. First we will burn it. Now I have burned the candle. We will see this after 5 minutes. Let's come. We will check the centimeter of after 5 minutes candle. This is a 7 centimeter. Okay, we will observe this candle after 15 minutes. Let's see. After 15 minutes, the measure of candle. We will blow the candle first. The candle measure is 5 centimeter. This candle cannot be reversed. Wax can be reversed. Thank you. You see, the length and size of the candle cannot be reversible. The length and size of the candle cannot be reversible, but the wax of the candle can be reversible. See, the length and size after 5 minutes, after 15 minutes, it will decrease, but it cannot be reversed. But wax can be reversed. I hope you understand this experiment. For new videos, like, share, subscribe my channel, and also for new topic, subscribe, share, comments. Thank you.